Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about functions. In JavaScript and most modern programming languages, functions are used to write reusable code. In this course, we shall see how it can be helpful. But for now, let's learn how to write a function in JavaScript. So we say function name of function. We'll say our name is equals to Mansa Africa. Say var combo is equal to name plus location. Now let's console log combo. Let's go out. It's the name of function. Let's do that right there. Now let me explain what we have here. The word function here is declarative. You have to write it to declare to JavaScript that this is a function. After that, you set the name of the function here to any name you want to give it. Then the brackets here are here in case you want to pass in variables or arguments to the function. Now don't worry, we'll get to that shortly. And this is where you write every code that you want to be part of this function. And also take note of the indentation. I don't have any item that is staying on the same line as the keyword function. Every item in the function should never stay on the same line as the keyword function like this. And what we did here is known as calling a function. You call a function to make it active, or let's say to make it return its results to us. Let's take this out and run the code. As you can see, nothing happened. We have to call the function outside the function block here. And that's why we are no more obeying the indentation rule that is applicable inside the function here. So let's run our code to see what we have. As you can see, we have Mansa Africa. So let's work some space in here. And let's run our code again. You can see we have Mansa Africa. This is what makes functions in JavaScript reusable. If I need to use this function anywhere in my code, all I have to do is call the name with the brackets in front of it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.